Natural remedies to deal with wet cough at home. Here are some home remedies for a wet cough. 1. Salt water gargle. Gargling with salt water several times a day provides significant relief from cough. Salt helps remove mucus from the respiratory tract, while the warm water reduces irritation in the throat. 2. Steam inhalation. Inhaling steam is another effective way to get quick relief from a cough. The heat and moisture from the steam help break up and dissolve mucus. Moreover, inhaling steam infused with tulsi leaves extract can help relieve cough and cold even better. 3. Honey. Honey is another well-known home remedy for cough. It helps reduce the thickness of the mucus and promotes its easy removal from the respiratory tract. Also, being high in antiviral and antibacterial properties, honey helps fight infection. 4. Ginger. Whether you are suffering from productive or non-productive cough, ginger is a good remedy. As an expectorant, ginger helps in thinning and expelling mucus. It even reduces the intensity and duration of coughing bouts characterized by airway hyperresponsiveness and inflammation. 5. Garlic. Garlic is also a good remedy for chesty cough. It acts as a natural expectorant, which helps provide quick relief from coughing. Garlic also has immune-enhancing, antibacterial and antiviral properties that make it effective for clearing infection that may be the reason behind the cough.